Thursday, March 9th. And I'm so sorry, I didn't give you an actual video last night where I said it was March 8th. What happened was I did March 7th. I thought I had uploaded it so it could get distributed, and clearly it did not upload. And so when my gals who distribute it tried to distribute it, there was nothing there to send out. So instead of doing another one last night, I thought we're just going to resend the one I did on Tuesday and sort of sneak past yesterday. But by doing that, I forgot to be able to chat about the International Day of the Woman, and that was yesterday. So for all of us women out there of every race, color, creed, and origin, yesterday was our day. And in my mind, every day's a great day for women. So I tend to take the optimistic look, but I know lots and lots of people struggle with equality and equality of pay and respect. And so we have to promote it amongst ourselves. Be sure and honor your female counterparts, friends, family. It's a good thing to be a woman. Strong. Lots gets done, right? If you want something to get done, call a woman. All right, enough off my little, let me step off my platform for today, and let's talk about what's going to happen next week. So I really need to tell you what's going to happen. So make some notes or come in and we'll re-explain it to you. But you already know that the showcase is going to start next Wednesday. That's the customer showcase. Everything that you have knit with Bella Filati yarns since all of 22, January of 22, all the way to March of 23, right? We're including a whole year. Then please bring them in. We have got people bringing them in. They're lovely. I need to know the name of the pattern. I need to know the yarn that you used, and I need your name attached to it, okay? So bring those in labeled. That would be terrific. We will put them all out on display. They need to be here by next Tuesday. We're going to put them all out on display on Wednesday the 15th, and then you can come and vote. Now, there's a couple little things that you are rewarded for if you do bring in a showcase item. So let me tell you about that event. So not only is the beginning of our showcase next week, it is also St. Patty's Day on Friday, right? So if you are feeling lucky, like Clint Eastwood in Dr. Harry, I guess is the name of it. I'm trusting Sandy on that. All right, so if you're feeling lucky, join us in our event for the basket of gold, the pot of gold basket, right? It's going to be full of all kinds of goody stuff. And there's ways to enter into that drawing, okay? One of the ways to enter into that drawing is to bring in something for the showcase. That will get you a raffle ticket to put in the drawing, all right? Perfect. So all of you who have done that, we will put a ticket in the raffle bowl for you, okay? Another way is to buy one of these adorable kits that make these adorable shamrock earrings. Of course, Brooke did these. You know, Brooke's always wearing knitted earrings. These are crocheted. There is a knitted pattern as well if you are not a crocheter. So we are going to kit up a little kit with a little ball of green yarn, 10 ounces of green yarn. You'll have one set of the wires for the earrings and the two patterns, either knit or crochet. So if you buy a shamrock earring kit, that gets you a raffle ticket for the pot of gold basket, right? Or back to the shamrock kit, Brooke on Friday morning, St. Patrick's Day at 10 o'clock, she's going to have a crochet along to help you whip out these earrings, which are not difficult, she swears, and almost anybody can do them. If you have the minor, you can't not be a crocheter, but if you have any minor skills in crochet, she says they're not hard. So that is Friday morning from 10 to 11:30 on the 17th. That's a crochet along. It doesn't cost anything except the purchase of the kit, okay? And the purchase of the kit gets you in the drawing, right? And so does an item in the showcase. Also, on Friday, the 17th, if you wear green, not just a little bit of green, give me some green, girls. Green, I want lots of green, so wear something green. And we're gonna have punch and shortbread cookies. And punch and shortbread cookies, and that will get you, if you wear green on Friday, that will get you a ticket into the raffle. You saw me just shake my head. There was a young man who was very happy and smiling, and he held up a bag of Dunkin' Donuts or Krispy Kremes, and he goes, "Do you want to buy some?" And I was like, "No, thanks. I don't think so. It doesn't fit on my gluten-free diet, sadly." All right, so Shamrock earring kit, wear green on Friday, and come for our punch and shortbread cookies. We're going to have a little St. Patty's celebration all day, and we're going to hide some clovers all around the store. If you find a clover, you will get to enter into the raffle. So there's 4 chances to enter the raffle, and you can have 4 tickets that you get to drop into the pot of gold basket, right? For the pot of gold basket. Is that confusing enough or clear enough? I hope it's clear. All right, so I needed to tell you that ahead of time because it's starting. You can start right now by bringing in stuff for the showcase, right? And we will enter you into the pot of gold, right? And come buy a Shamrock earring kit. Those will be available. Brooke's putting them together tomorrow. They will be available on Friday for sure. All right, so much rambling on and on. I think that's all I'm going to tell you for tonight, except that, oh my gosh, we have gotten in at least 5 brand new yarns, cotton, new cotton, 29 colors, and then 6 multis. We've gotten in Zooey stripe, which is Zooey is a linen cotton blend, and we have it in solids, but now they also have a stripe. We've gotten that in. I'll show you these later, but I'm just giving you a quick synopsis. We've gotten in a new yarn called Myrtle from Queensland, I believe, and it is 100% eucalyptus. It's very silky and very soft and very drapey. It's sort of like a bamboo, right? So that is Myrtle. And something else, a cumulus, a multicolored cumulus, very single ply, puffy, 100% cotton, lots of cottons, cotton blends, lots of things, and Giardino, I think it's Giardino or Giardina, the multicolored yarn that I had last year from Louisa Harding. So anyway, we're getting them out as fast as we can, and then new yarns are coming in. So spring is here, and we're ready for you. Ooh, this is a long video. I better get off. All right, I will see you tomorrow.